Made from creamy Velveeta and zesty Rotel tomatoes and green chilies. It makes any get-together better.
One of the benefits of being a Bank of America customer is that we're almost everywhere.
Thousands of menus.
And so many ATMs all over the place. This technology is very cool. Deposit your checks right here and get the check images on your receipt. No deposit slips, no envelopes.
Integrated apps for mobile phones.
And now the iPad. I can transfer money to my mom just like that. Pretty amazing. Don't forget online banking.
It's super highly relatable.
Secure access to your money anytime.